Stopped in my tracks, unpacking the meaning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, stopped in my tracks. This expression is rich in imagery and meaning, and understanding it can add a wonderful layer of nuance to your English communication. So, let's get started and uncover the depths of this phrase together. The phrase, stopped in my tracks, is a vivid idiom used to describe a moment when someone suddenly stops moving or doing what they were doing because they are surprised, shocked, or need to give their full attention to something unexpected. Imagine walking down a path and seeing something so surprising or absorbing that you can't help but stop walking to look at it or think about it. That's the essence of this phrase. It's not just about physical movement. It can also refer to being mentally or emotionally halted by a thought, idea, or realization. To help you grasp how to use this phrase in real-life situations, let's look at some examples. In a conversation, I was about to leave the house when the news on the TV stopped me in my tracks. I couldn't believe what I was hearing. In storytelling, the beauty of the sunset was so overwhelming that it stopped me in my tracks. I just stood there, marveling at the view. In personal reflection, the question she asked was so unexpected that it stopped me in my tracks. It made me reconsider everything. These examples showcase the versatility of the phrase, highlighting its use in physical, emotional, and intellectual contexts. Learning idioms like stopped in my tracks is crucial for language learners because it helps you understand the culture and the emotional nuances of the language. Idioms can express complex feelings or situations in a few words, making your communication more effective and expressive. They also improve your listening comprehension, as you'll be better equipped to understand native speakers when they use such expressions in conversation. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, stopped in my tracks. We hope this video has shed light on this intriguing expression, enriching your understanding and use of the English language. Remember, language learning is a journey filled with discoveries, and every new phrase you learn opens up new ways of expressing yourself and connecting with others. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Happy learning!